Good morning, fifth period. Welcome to week 4 of digital learning. Hope you're doing well today. Had a great weekend. Thank you for the work that you have done thus far. It's going to be a great week of learning. You have 3 things that you are responsible for this week, and if you will click the digital learning, you will find the assignments for this week. The first thing is going to be to complete Unit 5-6 test. This test is available beginning today, and it will go up until April the 12th at 11:55 p.m. So you have all week to be able to take this test. It is comprised of multiple choice, and once you start it, you got to finish it at that time. You can't use any materials for this test. You do have a study guide that I put up, but you do not have to complete the study guide. You do not turn it in for extra credit or anything like that. I just gave it to you as a review for the test. I will caution you to take your time. It is a test that can trip you up if you're not careful. So make sure that you do study before you take it. And all you need to do to take the test is you'll come down to this link right here. It says I posted an assignment, and if you'll go to the instruction, there's the link. So click on the link. It will take you to the test, and you will be ready to go, ready to take it. So that's the first thing, or that's one of the things that you have to do this week. The other thing is you need to complete Unit 7.1, 7.3 notes and upload those. I don't mind if you put several sheets of notes together. I just need to be able to see each page. So it's fine to do like 4 pages on one screenshot. I just need to be able to read your notes. You need to also listen to the videos that I put with these units and add to that with your notes, because I am going to be adding some of those things to tests and quizzes and things that are upcoming. So please make sure that you're watching the videos. And then finally, you will be answering chapters 8 through 10 from Profiles in Courage. So we're going to finish up Profiles in Courage this week. Fascinating book full of just unique stories of individuals who were willing to sacrifice their reputations and their positions to do what was right. So we'll finish that up. Make sure that your questions are detailed, that you're following the examples that I've given you over the course of the semester, and that is all that you are required to submit to me this week. So you're going to upload chapter 8 to 10 questions, 7.1, 7.3 notes, videos, and complete the Unit 5-6 test. Once again, I give you till Sunday at 11:55 to complete it. However, do not wait till the last minute, because you do not want to submit items that are late. You might have problems with internet, things like that. So it's best to go ahead and get some of these things done immediately. There's nothing wrong with knocking this out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, being done, and then you don't have anything to worry about. So just keep that in mind. I hope you have a wonderful week. Don't forget virtual class on Thursday at 2 o'clock. Also, if you need me before then, between 9 and 3, I'm able to Zoom video with you, Google Hangouts, do something if we need to work through an assignment. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. I do want to make a note about Quizlet. Many of you did not do the assignment as required or as asked. Remember, you were to do gravity and matching and to do the best scores for those vocab words. And I also told you that you needed to make sure that you had a username, a screen name that allowed me to be able to recognize you. So like there was somebody that put in there it was their name, so I knew it was your name. And another person, might have had the letters CC 1 2 3, which I could understand that would be Chris Carroll in my class. So you've got to make sure that you're watching the videos and that you're paying attention to the announcements, so you do things the way that they need to be done correctly. So I just wanted to give you a little information concerning that. So I'll grade the assignments for this week, get them back to you as fast as I can. In the meantime, guys, have a great week. Know that you're missed, and I hope that you're doing well and staying safe, and look forward to seeing you soon. So take care. Remember, you're smart enough, you're good enough, doggone it. Not only do we miss you, but we love you. Have a great day.